Just ask any drummer, what time signature would you like to play for a solo or to explore rhythm? Most of them would say, I really love 6/8. Well, so do I. 6/8 rhythms are so much fun to play, to explore rhythms, polyrhythms, and solos. So in this video, we're going to check out the long bell 6/8 clave and look at ways of creating interesting sounds using this rhythm, quick and basic music theory of 6/8, and 3 different feels featuring the 6/8 clave. Hi, I'm Peter from positivemusic.com.au, and so first of all, let's check out just the basic music theory, and just having an understanding of this is a really good foundation of where to start. But of course, there are people who don't quite know how to read music, and that's totally fine. So I'm going to put it all in box form notation, so you don't necessarily have to know what each note means. So it's easily to read for people who don't understand music notation. So the 8 represents the value of the note, so where the pulse lies within that bar. And the 6 represents the counting. So we're counting up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just looping that over. So this is just a quick and easy way. There are many videos on YouTube that explain really in depth about music theory on 6/8. But I didn't want to take away from the fun of actually playing the music. So let's go a little bit deeper. So to showcase the 6/8 clave long bell, I'm going to be using the frog, a beautiful wooden sound. I'm also going to feature the African go-go bell for the 6/8 clave, plus these 2 beautiful kashishi. But if you're working with kids, this is what happens after just 5 minutes. So remember, don't play the kashishi from the handle. And last of all, I love this sound. It's a capsicum, in the shape of a capsicum, but it's a shaker, and it has a beautiful, rich, deep, organic sound. It just takes me back, I don't know, but this sound just reminds me of the wheat fields. So I'm going to be featuring this as the 3 beautiful rhythms that can really enhance the 6/8 feel. So now let's check out the beautiful 6/8 clave rhythm on the frog, the beautiful wooden sound. For the long bell 6/8 clave, we're playing the 3 downbeats. 1, 2, 3. We're playing the double on the 4 and the and of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. And now the next 2 notes are also on the upbeat. And now we're counting the ends, the notes in between the downbeats. Because we're playing more syncopated rhythms, more on the upbeat, we're going to be counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And so let's play the 6/8 clave, and those last 2 notes are on the upbeat. And of course, that last upbeat note on the and of 6 hooks beautifully back to the 1 again. So it's a beautiful rhythm. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1. Now the song that I've written, Angel Eyes, is a beautiful tempo for beginners. So you don't have to rush, you gradually get that feel and understanding of the 6/8. Okay, so now let's put the shaker, the capsicum, and the wood, the frog, together, these 2 sounds together. We're going to have the 6/8 long bell clave rhythm with the frog, And the first rhythm with the shaker is going to be playing all the downbeats, all the eighth notes in the 6/8 rhythm. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put these two beautiful rhythms together and just notice how the rhythm, by playing the shaker on all the eighth notes, is just slightly pushing. That's got that energy with that 6/8 feel. Let's put it together. Check it out. So now we're going to keep the 6/8 clave playing on the frog, the beautiful wood sound, but this time we're going to play the shaker as a different rhythm. We're going to halve the feel of the shaker. So now the shaker is going to be on the 1 and the 4, so on the downbeats. But we're going to be taking out all those other notes, and just notice how the feel becomes a little bit more laid back, a little bit more relaxed. It's not as pushing as all the eighth notes, the one that we just played. Let's put it together. For our third rhythmical feel with the 6/8 clave, once again we're going to change the shaker and play it on the 1, the end of 3, the 4 and the end of 5. And just notice how this rhythm is completely different to the other feels of those other two rhythms that I've already shown you. Very different. That's why 6/8 is really fun to play. So let's go and put these two rhythms together. Let's go and have some fun. So all of these rhythms are in a nicely presented PDF form where you can easily download absolutely free. I'll leave a link under here for you. So now let's check out the bell pattern. And as you can see with this bell here, we've got a wide mouth and another bell on top, so a low pitch and a high pitch. And we can use these two pitches in the 6/8 to bring out different colours and different tones of that rhythm. So I'm going to place the cowbell, or the African go-go bell, on my lap, and I'll show you how to actually create a beautiful 6/8 rhythm using different tones of just one bell. Let's check it out. Great, so now let's check out the Kashishi Rhythm, playing a beautiful 6/8. It's based on the 6/8 clave. It's got a few more extra notes in there though. So as I said, it's in a PDF form, easily download. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so now let's put the Kashishi the go-go bell, African go-go bell, and the shaker all together with the play-along song called Angel Eyes. And notice how these beautiful rhythms fit absolutely beautifully. They dialogue beautifully with the drums, the harmony in the music, and also the rhythmical flow in this section. And this section, I've taken a snippet out of Angel Eyes. It's the bridge section, so it goes into more of a triplet feel. So in the song, we've got two kinds of feels. There's lots of drum solos in there as well to learn. So if you want to know a little bit more about Angel Eyes package, which is a PDF download of rhythms and solos that go with the song and all the rhythms, I'll leave a link under here for you as well. So let's go and check out those three beautiful percussion parts with Angel Eyes. Wonderful. How'd you go with the play along? So if you're interested in the downloadable PDF to all those percussion parts, as I said, I'll leave a link under here. Next video, I'm going to show a few more hand drum rhythms that go with those percussion parts. So keep tuned, keep sharing the positive vibe, and thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Keep drumming.